क्वेश्चन नंबर 29। अब क्या कह रहा है ये? अच्छा छोड़ो। The distance between road between two towns. There are two towns A and B. They have a distance of 216 kilometer, right? 16 kilometer. And by rail is 208 kilometer. So this is by road. By road. बाई ट्रेन कितना है? 208. ठीक है, 208 किलोमीटर बाई ट्रेन. सो a car travels at a speed of x kilometer per hour. So if a car is moving from here to here, there is a car at x kilometer per hour, right? So what time it will take? Time of car is equal to distance upon 216 upon x hours, right? And train travels at a speed of 16 kilometer faster than the car, and the speed of train is, there is a train which is at a speed of x plus 16 kilometer per hour. तो टी ट्रेन कितना हो गया? टी ट्रेन is equal to 208 upon x plus 16 hours, right? So find the time taken by car to reach in terms of x. So this is, ये हो गया, this is answer number 1. This much time it is taking, 216 upon x hours. What is given you? अभी तो कर लो. I have written the question. हाँ?
216.
हाँ, then check. Next क्या है? अपनी तरफ खोलो.
The time taken by the train to reach town B from A in terms of x.
So that is this. Answer number 2. Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay. Then
If the train time takes 2 hours less than the car to reach town.
Okay, it means T train is equal to T car -2 यही कह रहे हैं ना?
Yes.
क्या?
Train take 2 less than car.
2 hours less than car. That it is.
To reach town B.
That does not matter.
Obtain
So what do you have to find?
X.
You have to find the
Equation in X, solve it.
अच्छा पहले इक्वेशन बनानी है. Okay. So train is how much? It is 208 upon x plus 16 is equal to how much? 216 upon x
Minus 2.
-2. You bring this 2 on this side and bring it on other side. So 2 is equal to 216 upon x minus 208 upon x plus 16. Right? Hello?
Yes.
So how much you will get? 2 is equal to x bracket x plus 16. So this is 216, right? Bracket x plus 16 minus, it is minus 208x. Is this?
Yes.
So what do you do now? Now what you will do, we can cross multiply this. So 2x square plus 32 x, right? 2x, then 2x square plus
36.
32x.
30.
62.
Sorry.
2 times 16 becomes 32. So it's 32x is equal to, हो गया. अब इधर आते हैं. तो ये हो गया 216x plus
3004.
216 into 16.
2000.
Sure. 208x. Your calculation is correct. Okay. We have done, that is fine.
$3,456. 3,456.
216 into 16, 3,456. 3,000. ये हो गया 2x squared plus 32x is equal to 216 minus 208 becomes 8x. हाँ? Hello?
Yes.
It is 8x. 8 इधर ले आएंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? माइनस में हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Minus 8x minus 3,456 is equal to 0. So you get an equation 2x square plus 22 24 24x minus 3,456 3,456 is equal to 0. पूरी इक्वेशन को 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, राइट? then you will get how much? You will get x square plus 12x minus 1228.
17.
हाँ अच्छा चाहिए 2 times 1 becomes
1728.
1728 is equal to 0. This is you are getting.
Yes.
What is your equation given to you? They are asking for equation na.
So solve करूँ.
हाँ
So इसमें x36 given है.
हाँ
x36 given है.
x36
x की वैल्यू given.
x is equal to 36. No equation is given.
So इक्वेशन जो given थी वो +2 का इसमें
मतलब
ये 216 upon x is equal to 208 upon x plus 16 plus 2.
मतलब ये 2 इधर है ना बस. ये 2 इधर लिखा हुआ है. बात खत्म. नेगेटिव है ना वो. x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x minus 1728 is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 12 square minus 4 into 1 into 1728. ठीक है. ये कितना हुआ? 144. ये निगेटिव में है ना. माइनस माइनस प्लस.
6912.
1728 multiplied by 4, right? This is 6912 plus 144. It is 7056, right? So b square minus 4ac root b square minus 4ac is equal to root 7056. Whew. 84 is equal to 84, right? You get this much? B square's value is
84.
Should I rub?
Yes.
I hope it is also not required since we have written there. So 208 x. Okay, so we have x is equal to minus 12 plus minus root over 7056 upon 2 into 1.
Yes.
So we have a value x is equal to minus 12 plus 84. We can write here minus 12 plus minus 84 upon 2. So up minus 12 upon 84 plus 2. तो ये कितना हो गया?
36. Sorry, 72 upon 2.
72 upon 2 becomes 36 kilometers per hour. हाँ, और अगर इसका दूसरा पार्ट लेते हैं तो -12 -84 upon 2 x is, so it is negative, so not applicable. So 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर हो गई speed of car is,
36.
so what they are asking for, the speed of car is, the speed of car
Minus.
is equal to x kilometer per hour, means 36 kilometers per hour, or speed of train is how much, 16 more,
Yes.
sorry, so it is x plus 16, so it is 36 plus 16, 52 kilometers per hour.
Yes.
What is answer?
52 kilometer per hour.
Hmm?
And 36. Yes.
52 kilometer per hour. That is correct.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh, thank you.